Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off notes on Instagram. So if you don't want to see notes of a particular account or of a particular person, then you can easily turn off that. So firstly, open up the account that you want to turn off the note of, and then simply tap on this following option right here and tap on mute. Now inside mute you'll get three options: post, stories and notes. Turn on the notes option. Now after you do that, you wouldn't be able to see any of the notes that this account posts. So that's how easily and quickly you can turn off notes or mute notes on Instagram. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.